Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Creative Fashion Hub. Today I am going to show you beautiful cotton fabric frock designs. You can see there are many beautiful frocks, age 1 year to 6 year, 6 year according frocks designs. Don't skip the video till the end friends, because there are many designs and different pattern, trill pattern, strip pattern and bow pattern. You can see you can cut and sew pattern, like you have 2 3 different color fabric, so you can stitch and you can cut and sew pattern very easily. And you have a one color fabric, so you can design with lace and with simple. So if you have a cotton fabric, so you should add if you want to make simple, if you want to make simple frock, so you should add a simple fabric with cotton lace. You can see on this picture, uh, they used simple white cotton lace. So you can see, you can see you can add more elements, like you can add piping, different color piping add in your daughter, in your customer frock. Also you can add angrakha pattern. It will be helpful this video. I hope if you're still watching right now, it's mean this video is helpful for you. So please go hit the like button and click the subscribe button for more videos, more trending videos. This channel is related to trending fashion designs. You can see, you can go, you must watch, go to playlist, and you can see there are many different designs in all our designs, suit design, suits, bottom, neck, sleeves, frock, maxi, etc. One more thing I want to share with you. If you don't want to make strip, back strip for tie, so you can add satin lace. There are available in markets, so you can add this type satin fabric lace. Also cotton fabric lace available in the market, so you can add if you don't want to add strip lace in vest, in frock. I hope you are enjoying this video. There are many designs here. I made 4 to 5 frocks, 6 to 7 years girls, and 4 to 5 years age frog girls, with cotton fabrics, polka dot designs. That's it. So my lovely viewers, please don't forget to hit the like button, and this video watch the till the end, because there are many designs in these videos. And friends, don't forget hit the subscribe button, don't forget hit the बेल आइकॉन. आई होप फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.